Hey, what's going on YouTube? Memphis Mike and
Sidekick Dano.
Dano here. Today we're going to be removing the rear tire off the GL 1800 GoldWing. This will be applied Gen 1 and Gen 2. Yeah, Gen 1, Gen 2.
Yeah.
The new 2018 and up, no clue.
Yeah,
So
01 through 17.
Yeah, anyway, so we're going to show you a few things that you might need if you want to pull your rear tire off and take it to the dealer, because I got a nail in my tire. This has been the year of nails for me.
Ain't no lie.
I know, but
that ain't no lie.
Thank goodness for road hazard. I've used it 3 times.
3 brand new tires.
Yeah, exactly.
Paid off.
So we're going to show you a couple of items that you need to remove your rear tire.
Tools for today's job: 1/2-inch breaker bar to break it off, your lug nuts with. Lug nuts are 19 millimeter. Yes, this is a 3/8 socket, but we have an adapter. And then to put it back on with, we're going to snug them up with a breaker bar, and then we'll torque them down to Honda spec, which is 80 foot-pounds. And then before we put the lug nuts on, a little bit of anti-seize, never hurt nothing.
Yeah, let's see. Let me get the right angle. There we go. Anti-seize, that's it. All right, so why the breaker bar and not just a socket, a ratchet?
Well, it's actually a little bit longer because some people, if they take it to the dealership and they finally do it at home, some people actually, they torque it really well. So a little bit of leverage always helps.
Exactly. All right, so let's get started.
Let's go.
All right, so we're going to be doing this job today. The bike is going to be on the lift. Let me tell you, it makes it really easy. And for safety and security, what do we do right here, Dano?
Put some straps.
Man, I tell you, everybody's been saying you ought to strap that baby down. So, anyway, we got...
Mike, all honestly, Mikey wanted to try it.
Yep.
I've took my front and rear off, never strapped it down. It's been this high in the air.
It's a pit bull. It is solid, and we'll be doing a video on that as well.
Let's just show people how solid it is with the straps.
All right. There we go.
Y'all ready?
Yeah. That thing ain't going nowhere. Nowhere. So anyway, been catching a lot of flack on my pictures here. So we strapped it down for safety purposes. You might even want to wear safety goggles.
That's right. That's right.
You got 5 lug nuts right up here inside the GL 1800, and you need to remove those with a 19 millimeter socket, and we highly recommend a breaker bar to remove these. All right, Dano is working the breaker bar. All right.
And you can just go around, bring it back down, go to the next one.
All right. Basically, you'll repeat that, what, 5 times?
Yep.
I have never used a breaker bar, Dano.
A little leverage.
Gives you a little more leverage for sure.
At the bottom, pull.
And I just feel tough when holding that. I mean...
That's right. Got the weight of it.
Yep, exactly.
See, that one was pretty snug there.
All right. So anyway, you got 5 of those. We'll remove all those right there. Having this pit bull lift...
a little bit better than getting scratched up and laying it on the ground, in my opinion.
Makes it easier.
But everybody does it a different way.
You know, that's true. I guess you could do it on a center stand and remove the rear panel. But
if you have a trailer hitch, that will not work.
That's true. You have to remove that too.
Yep. That's why jacking the bike up's easier if you got a trailer hitch.
Anyway, so yeah, just take your socket inside there. Again, 19 millimeter. Remove the lug nuts. All right, so once your lug nuts are removed, it's simple. Just pull the tire. Yep.
Pull the tire.
Turn your hat around. Look cool. Pull it down.
Huh?
There you go. It slides down just like that.
Whoop.
Whoop. There you are. There you go, Dano.
So most people, if they don't know, the GL 1800 01 through 17, it's a single-sided swing arm. Anybody that's never took their tire off, it's 5 lug nuts. Inside comes off just like a tire. There's no axle or nothing that has to be removed.
Oh,
just
sweet.
a tip, in case nobody's removed a tire.
All right, here we go. So we'll take this tire to the dealer. Of course, it looks new. Well, I'm not going to tell you. I've already been to the dealer. Okay, I got busted. And I had the tire replaced. And But Dan wasn't here at the moment to help me. I thought, man, we should make a video of how to do this. So anyway, so we go to the dealer and come back. And
Dano's here.
Dano the man is here. We just slide it up in there. Line it up. There you go. It's that easy. I mean, the lift makes it so much easier.
Yeah, because you ain't laying down and then got to try to pull it off sideways and scoot it out a little bit. When I get to this stage and I put my legs out forward, lift it up, pull it right down. That's what I do on both my bikes.
You probably won't have to take any Advil either for laying upside down. And I'm sorry, I'm not going to lay my $20,000 bike in the grass on the side.
No comment.
All right, here's our next step. We're fixing to put the lug nuts back on.
Again, a little anti-seize never hurt nobody.
That stuff is cheap too. And why would we use anti-seize for the listener who doesn't know?
Well, insimilar metals can kind of seize together, and plus you got water and brake dust and everything that gets down inside that wheel that sits up in case anybody hasn't ever took their wheel off. It's kind of hard to get these off for the first time.
So this will make getting them off easier than next time. So we're going to do that on all 5 lug nuts.
That's it.
I might add also, once you remove that rear tire, I didn't show you that, it's a spectacular time to polish the wheel. It is so much easier. Use some white diamond or whatever, and I followed it up with a little bit of F11. Makes it slick, keeps that brake dust from caking up on there. I like a clean ride.
That he does.
Yeah.
That he does.
Dan don't keep his bike as clean as me, but
the only time my bike gets clean, I'll be honest, is when my wife cleans it, or when Mikey comes to the house and I'm working on this one. He cleans mine while I'm working on this one.
All right, so now we're going to install the lug nuts back on. You got 5 of these right here. So he's got it on a socket. It's a little bit easier, and we're using a deep well socket as well. Be sure you get them on there straight. You don't want to cross thread and screw up, because that can make for a bad day one day down the road.
Bad day.
When you break that thing off. There we go. Just one more to go.
Hand the camera back to you, sir.
I got 5 to do. So it's kind of like do one and repeat.
Yup.
Exactly. See here, we're going there. Yeah, that's a kind of a weird, kind of kinky it up here a little bit, man.
Yeah, you trying to reach between my arms? I feel like somebody's scratching the back of my head at the same time, man.
There.
What the world?
All right, so we just hand tighten them right now.
Breaker bar, and then snug them up with the breaker bar, and then we'll get the torque wrench out.
All right. All right, we're going to snug them up with the breaker bar.
Just snug.
I mean, you could use just a ratchet, but man, you just got a lot more handle with the breaker bar. A lot more handle.
As you can see, I've got the breaker bar in one hand, hand on tire in the other, and just snug and push them together.
And I might add, I got that breaker bar
at Harbor
Freight, $9.99 with a 30% off coupon. They're Harbor Freight junkies, man. There you go. Ooh, got a weird angle on Dano right there.
That's right.
That's right. Break down on it, baby. Break down on it. Break it. There we go. All right, crank it on down.
Now we set to 80 foot-pounds and cranking it down per factory spec.
Again, using 19 millimeter. Crank on it, Dano. Crank on it.
I got him. Oh.
You see up in there? There we go, yeah.
Got her?
Yeah, we got it. Oh, I love that click. I love that click. Well, that's your final wrap-up, YouTube.
There she be.
Torque. All right. Hey, guys, we hope you enjoyed this. Memphis Mike along with
Dano.
How to remove the rear tire and reinstall on the Honda GoldWing GL 1800. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up.
Thumbs up.
And also,
click the like button.
And also,
hit the subscribe button.
He's trained already. Anyway, we'll see you later. Thanks for watching.
I'm doing an interview to try to get on the payroll, so y'all help me out now.
Help him out. Yeah, y'all give Dano a shout out. That's right.